And sometimes you leave it alone, it starts by itself, but we'll give a little more extra help here. Alrighty. Okay. There we go. Okay. Okay, we'll try that. Find some more pine in here. Here we go. So we'll set her up again. Remember, this all gets filtered at the end with a very thick filtering system. 221 degrees finishes it off, and it gets filtered again. So it's nice and pure at the end there. Oh, hold on a second here. Too high there. There we go. Okay. Whew. Hot. Now we got something going on there. Just move that around. I'll let that burn down. There we go. Awesome. Okay. Next one. There we go. All right, and then one more. Okay. Alrighty. Very good. See, smoke coming out the top. Probably cost me, what, 15-20 bucks for that little setup there. Trays are 15 bucks a piece, but I want to get one more deeper one next year, but it does good for now. And before you know it, it'll be boiling like crazy. There we go. All right. gets filtered out. No, I'm not selling this stuff, so it's for our own personal use. But it gets, like I said, 222 degrees. Everything's going to be, and all the bacteria gets killed in it. All right, now we'll just dump her in. Okay. Alrighty, now let's see what the fire's doing inside here. Okay. This is my little front section here just to keep things, keep the heat in there. Come on, guys, let's go. Shoot, the wood is wet. You can see the sizzling, see the moisture coming off the thing there. We had a lot of rain, snow here a couple of days, so it seems to be presenting a problem, but it will get going. Once it gets nice and hot, it'll really take off. Okay. Alrighty. We'll just be patient. Alrighty. That'll come down so fire burns out there. Okay. There we go. Okay. Well, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start a new fire in front. Bummer. I still got smoke coming up. That's a good sign. All right. Well, we'll see what happens here. It'll start. Give it a little more time by itself. I'll come back.